In this video, I'll show you how to import collections from Shopify into Odoo using the TeqStars Shopify Connector. Let's get started. This is our overview screen. To import collections, click the Operations button on our instance. When you click it, a pop-up will open that contains all the operations supported by the TeqStars connector. For this video, we'll focus on importing collections. By default, the import operation is selected. If you switch to export, you'll see all the available export operations. For now, we'll continue with the import operation. Before we start importing collections, we first need to import all products from Shopify into Odoo. I've already imported all the products. If you haven't imported them yet, they will be imported automatically, but the collection import will take a little more time. Now, at the top, you can see a main menu called Shopify. When you click it, another menu opens. Inside this menu, you'll find collections. You can also filter the collections by manual collection and smart collection. Let me open all collections for this click here. Here, you can see that no collection is available yet. Now let's import the collections. For this, go to the overview screen and click Operations. The pop-up will open. Now let's import collections manually. Here, make sure the operation is Import and select the operation type Import Collections. Now click Process. Once the collections are imported, the pop-up closes automatically. Here, you can see the pop-up has closed. Now open the Shopify main menu and open Collections by clicking All Collections. Here, you can see that all the collections have been imported. To configure one, open any collection to update it. Here, you can see a smart button called Show in Marketplace. Click it to open this collection directly in our real store. Now let me update this collection from our ERP. Go back to our ERP. Here, you can see the description. I'll update the description and write something here. Now, open the Products tab. Here you can see that no product is available in this collection yet. Click the Add a Line button. A pop-up will open, and you can select the listings you want to add to this collection. Now go to the next tab called Configurations. Here, you can set the configuration based on your business requirements. Now save this configuration by clicking here. You can also export the collection from this view or from the Operation Wizard. Here, you can see the Server Action button. Click this button, and you'll see the option Export/Update to Marketplace. Using this, you can export and update the collection in the Marketplace. Now let's update the collection from the Operation Wizard. Go back to the Overview screen. Now open Operations and the Wizard will open. Switch from Import to Export and select the operation type Update Collections. Now click Process. Once the process is completed, the wizard closes automatically. Here, you can see the wizard has closed. Now go to our store and check this collection. Here, you can see the collection is already open, so I'll just refresh it. Here, you can see the collection was updated successfully. Now go back to the ERP and open the overview screen. Let's open the collection view and create a new collection. For this, click the Shopify main menu at the top, and inside it, you'll find the sub-menu All Collections. Click this. Here, you can see the collection view is open. Now click New and create a new collection. To create a new collection, you need to add some information such as the name, the instance selection, the collection type, the description, and more. For this demo, I've configured a few of these. Now save this configuration by clicking here. Now we can export this collection from this view. You can also export a collection from the Operation Wizard, but since we already updated a collection from the wizard, this time we'll export from the collection view. To export this collection from this view, click the Server Action button. When you click it, a menu opens. To export the collection, click Export/Update to Marketplace. A pop-up will open where you need to configure where you want to export the collection. For now, I'll export it to the online store. Here, you can also select multiple sales channels. Now click Export Collection. Once the process is completed, the pop-up closes automatically and the collection is exported successfully. Here, you can see the collection was exported successfully. At the top, you'll see a button called Show in Marketplace, along with the collection ID and the date. Now let me open this in our real store. Click the Smart button at the top to open it in our real store. Here, you can see the collection was exported successfully. That's all about how to import, export, and update collections between Shopify and Odoo using the TeqStars Shopify Connector. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.